The Doogee S96 GT is the upgraded version of the Doogee S96 Pro. It is equipped with a more powerful chip, a clearer night vision camera, and a stronger protection. The S96 GT and the S96 Pro are very similar devices. They have similar design and most of the specs of both devices are very similar as well. I'll be comparing both the S96 GT and the S96 Pro in a separate video so you guys could know the differences and similarities between both devices. Let's talk a little bit about the S96 GT because currently it's not available. You cannot buy it for now and most of its specs and features are still not disclosed yet, but the key features that I discovered I'll share with you guys in this video. So without further ado, let's head into it. So in terms of design, like I said earlier, the S96 GT is very similar to the S96 Pro. It has metal frame, a rugged design, corners covered with industrial rubber. At the back there's a circle-shaped camera module and the word Doogee is also imprinted at the back. The phone has a word-up notch display. The bezels are not too thick, but the top and bottom bezels are way thicker than the side bezels. Let's talk about the key specs of the Doogee S96 GT. So it flaunts a 6.22-inch IPS LCD display. For now, I do not know if the resolution is Full HD Plus or HD Plus because it's not disclosed yet. It is powered by the Helio G95 chip, which is more powerful than the Helio G90 that powers the Doogee S96 Pro. It utilizes 8GB RAM and there's 256GB onboard storage that could be expanded. The phone has quad cameras at the rear, including a 14-megapixel main camera, a 20-megapixel night vision camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro lens. The word-up notch houses a 32-megapixel camera for selfies. The S96 GT is said to be able to shoot 4K videos, which is very good. It ships with the latest Android 12 out of the box and it is backed up by a 6350 mAh battery. It supports 15 watts wireless charging and there's 24 watts fast charge support as well. Just like many other rugged devices, it is rated IP68 and IP69K and it is military standard 810H certified. Other features includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, a customizable key like I mentioned earlier. The display is protected with a Gorilla Glass. There's GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and so on like that. And of course, the device supports NFC. Like I said earlier, guys, the Doogee S96 GT isn't available for now, but it's going to be available very soon. And I think the price might be a little bit higher than that of the Doogee S96 Pro because it is a much more powerful device than the S96 Pro. So these are the key specs of the Doogee S96 GT. What do you guys think about this upcoming device from Doogee? Make sure to share in the comment section below. Like I said, I'll be comparing the Doogee S96 GT with the Doogee S96 Pro so you guys could know the differences and similarities between both devices. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.